Hello everybody, welcome back to CNS Corvettes. This is your Corvette buddy Lyle, and boy have we been busy this week. We have been packing up stuff and packing the trailer and getting everything ready to come up to the big Corvettes at Carlisle show in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. We're going to be leaving here Monday. The shop will remain open, we'll still be doing work, but Steve and I are going to be heading directly up to the fairgrounds in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. So, just to let you guys know, if you want to come visit me, if you're gonna be there, I'd love to meet everybody I can while I'm there. I'm gonna be shooting a lot of videos and talking about people's cars, but we're also taking a few things along to sell just in case, you know, people want to pick things up while they're there and not worry about shipping. So things like the solar throttle programmers, some LED lighting, C5 sun visors, you know, the things that we sell a lot of. I am bringing a handful of those things with me. Now, granted, you can always order through the website, but if you want to pick it up while you're there, especially things like the sun visors that you can install while you're there, by all means, come see me. We are going to be on I row down in the swap meet area, spaces 71 through 75. Easy way to remember is I-75, the interstate. If you find that space, you'll be looking at us. We have a 40-foot long Featherlight trailer, and we will have a banner out with CNS Corvettes on it, so you know it is indeed us. We will be out walking around from time to time, so we'll have a board there with our phone number on it and saying when we're going to be back or whatever, but we won't be stuck to the space all the time. But as long as you communicate with us, we'll do our very best to make sure that we can make time for you for whatever your needs may be, whether it be a couple of questions or you want to purchase or you just want to say hi. Well, that's what we're there to do. So, again, Corvette Carlisle starting on the 23rd, which is Wednesday of next week, and going through the end of the weekend, we will be at Corvette Carlisle. Look forward to meeting everybody up there. If you have questions, now guys, if you're not coming to the show and you have technical questions or you're asking me to look at a car, next week probably not going to happen because I'm going to be at the fairgrounds and very busy. I probably won't have time to answer too many questions. So give me a week on that stuff. Shipping will still be occurring while I'm gone, so if you order something on the website, it still will be going out to you in a reasonable amount of time. But other than that, the personal attention that I do my very best to give everybody is probably going to be on hold for a week, as I am not going to be here and not going to be near a computer all week next week. So I hope to see you guys up there. I hope the weather's perfect, and I hope we all get to have a good time. If you're there, come check us out. Again, that space is I-71 through 75 down in the swap meet area. And other than that, I'll be walking around, and I'm, you know, basically 7 feet tall, and I'll be wearing a baseball hat so I don't get more skin cancer. But other than that, I'm pretty easy to find. I look forward to seeing you. Safe travels there, and look forward to partying with all of you. See you soon.